My name is Fatahullah. In the past, I was addicted to drugs, and my life had no direction. Addiction took away my dignity, my stability, and my value in society. We were using drugs, and as a result, we were excluded, ignored, and seen as people with no future. Everything changed when we received support from the Afghan Youth Services Organization, AYSO, and UNDP. After completing our treatment and recovery process, we were provided with cash assistance, which became the foundation for a new beginning in our lives. With this support, I was able to start my own small grocery shop, selling food items and basic necessities. Today, my business is doing very well, and I earn a lawful income with dignity and self-respect. I am no longer dependent on others. I am providing for myself and my family with honest work. This support did not just change my financial situation. It changed my identity, my confidence, and my place in society. I am truly grateful to AYSO and UNDP for believing in us and giving us a second chance at life. I sincerely hope that in the future, more people like me will receive the same support, so they too can rebuild their lives, restore their dignity, and create a better future.